respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is a bittersweet moment for all of us. As we stand here at our farewell, we look back at the beautiful journey of 15 years that started on April 5, 2010, when we first walked into this school as little kids, holding the hands of our parents, unaware of what was ahead. The most heartwarming coincidence is that the person who welcomed us back then with a toffee, our principal, Reverend Father Dr. Joseph Velenar, is the same person bidding us farewell today. Looking back, our earliest school memories feel like a dream. I still remember how our nursery teacher lovingly fed each one of us a bite from our lunch before eating hers, showering us with motherly love that still warms our hearts. Our kindergarten teachers held our tiny hands and taught us how to write. They wiped our tears and made sure that we never felt alone. Our primary and middle class teachers were the architects of our foundations, patiently guiding us from holding a pencil to writing with a pen, even if it meant tearing out pages from our notebooks to improve our handwriting. They nurtured us like their own children, prepared us for many cultural competitions, cheering for us and supporting us with endless love and encouragement. Every classroom, every corridor became a part of our story. We have made countless memories, shouting in the classroom when the teacher wasn't around, running in the corridors only to get scolded, and rushing to the canteen the moment the bell rang, hoping to grab the last samosa. Every desk still bears the marks of our restless creativity. We also mastered the ultimate escape plan of convincing our teachers with a dramatic stomachache, only to stroll into the infirmary and enjoy a hajmola like it was a well-earned reward. The mere warning from our teachers, "Do you want me to send you to the principal's office?" was enough to make our hearts race faster than any exam could. Being sent to the principal's office felt like walking into a courtroom where even the most innocent among us felt guilty. Class 9th and 10th was a pure joy, sharing endless jokes, laughing till our stomachs hurt, sneaking snacks between classes, getting scolded together, stressing over board exams, and sharing all our stories with our teachers who always listened to us patiently. Our teachers tried their best to keep us disciplined, but we always found a way to have fun. We might have troubled them a lot, but their patience and support was unwavering. They believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. Then came +1 and +2, where the struggle was real. Climbing to the topmost floor to reach +2 medical like a daily trek, and running to +2 non-medical the moment the bell rang was a part of our daily workout. Requesting the teachers to please postpone the test and crying desperately asking for a PT period. And then peeping through the windows like prisoners, hoping that sir would signal us to come to the playground. These memories made our school life unforgettable. And of course, the joy when an extra class got cancelled. Nothing felt better than that. But these 2 years were the time when our teachers became our mentors. A heartfelt thanks to all our uncles and aunties who took care of us since childhood. Their love and care made this school our second home. A big thank you to the +1 students for organizing such a wonderful farewell for us. I truly understand this is a crucial time for your studies, yet you put in so much effort to make this day special for us, and we deeply appreciate it. As we stand on the edge of a new beginning, we wish time could slow down just a little. We walked into this school as little kids, unaware of what was ahead. But we leave as proud Carmelians, carrying with us not just knowledge, with values, friendships, and memories that will last a lifetime. To my dear batchmates, as we step into a new chapter of life, I wish you all success and happiness. May we all achieve our dreams and make our school proud. Thank you, Mount Carmel, for being our home. Thank you, dear teachers, for being our guiding